Maggie. Alright, guys. This little fellow started crawling. That is the new achievement. What's poppin' people? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. He's gonna hate me for throwing that. He's not crying. I've been told to take care of this bugger. सब लोग busy है काम करने में. Srujan has just gone to the gym, and I'm making this video without him. And this was because you guys have actually missed a function. As you guys are family with me now, we are close to 47,000 guys together in this family of ours. You guys missed a couple of functions of this guy. This was before the COVID lockdown, pre-COVID era, and this was when this little bugger was born. And he's actually fascinated with the dead cat. He's actually looking at the dead cat from a long time, and he's like literally going to catch it. This is off camera, which was happening. I didn't allow him, so he was a little pissed at me. But again, he's actually looking at the dead cat, and camera ka shutter uske haath mein hai. So what was I doing since the last 15-20 minutes was घर पे खाना is being cooked. It's about 7:15 in the evening exactly abhi, and I've been told to take care of this guy till everything is done. So I thought, why not make a video with him? Itna quiet he's not. He's just like this, and when you need to tell him to be active or do something, he becomes quiet. And his most active hours are after 11 p.m. So coming back to the topic. So iska cradle ceremony, you guys haven't seen it. So it'll be, actually there were two functions iska. One was his naming ceremony, which was done just a few days after we got him home, after he was born. And the second was the cradle ceremony. Both of them were before the COVID lockdown. And there'll be two minute videos. Yeah, we'll just show it to you guys, share you our experience, how it went. A beautiful experience. As you are part of our family, I thought, why not share it with you? Abhi, there's one more thing which you guys have been asking. Sangeet, Mera Shadi Ka Sangeet. You wanted to see how horrible I and Srujan dance. What I'll do is, along with this video, approximately at the same time tomorrow, I'll upload this video of me dancing along with Srujan and Shraddha, or basically our Sangeet ka at least one or two. एक डालूंगा कल. One dance video of me and Srujan tomorrow on Instagram. That will not be on YouTube because copyright issues. Yeah, dance to hum whatever we do with Telugu or Hindi, whatever. And that's going to be on Instagram. Please do check out my profile tomorrow. Once I'll upload it, maybe you'll be getting a notification or whatever. But tomorrow Sangeet ka video will be coming up. Zyada haso mat, please. I am a very bad dancer. Srujan is worse than me. Shraddha Raj as well. So abhi actually, if you can see, I was actually doing that. I was reliving my memory, and it is fun to watch all those videos, guys. It is marriage once in a lifetime, right? So it happens. It is such a beautiful experience. And abhi our little brat Ego, say hi. That's all. So check out these two videos, guys, one after the other, and I'll come back to you in about 4 to 5 minutes from now. This chota version of this little my monster. 3, 2, 1. How did you like it? That was Agastya's naming ceremony. That is where we've named him whatever he's called today. Boss Baby. Right. And most of you guys must be knowing Hyderabad has been flooded, and literally we had no power for the entire evening yesterday, entire day today. Abhi it's just come about 6 o'clock in the evening, ek ghanta pehle. So we had a power cut for close to 24 hours straight. And luckily there's no flooding in and around my house. As you guys know, I'm just on a kind of a hill slope, so there's no flooding in my area. But unfortunately, a lot of places in Hyderabad which are low lying are actually literally in about 7 or 8 feet depth of water. So guys, be really careful. If you require any services, call the police or the medical assistance if you need, but please do be utterly careful in these times. Now, tell everybody to be careful. So now let's get back to this fellow's cradle ceremony, which happened again right in front of my house. This was just when COVID was actually hitting the world, and it was not very serious yet in India. And we had a nice celebration, Ghar ke paas. And look at that, and then we'll come back to you guys in about 2.5 minutes from now. Sangeet. So this is what is going to be on Instagram tomorrow, and I know we look very funny, right? And, thank you very much guys for all the support which you've been providing us. We'll be coming back with more content really soon. Hope you like this video today. Till the next time, ciao, see ya, bye. And Aggie wants to run away. I didn't tell you bye.